Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Twitter for beginners. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. And so easily what we need to do once we download the app of Twitter or X as it's known and we have created an account on Twitter or X. So once we open it over here, as you can see, we have this interface of the app. And so from here we have on this section the following section and for you section. The For You section, this section when you can see something that is related to your algorithm searches and engagement and so on and so forth. And so this is for the For You section. So the most important question is how to use Twitter. So easily I'm going to show you this. So for example, if we have here this post, as you can see. So the first thing, if we click on the picture up to the left corner over here, we can go to the account that has the posts. And if we click on subscribe, we're going to subscribe to the account, which is not following because this is a monthly subscription with an amount, which is could be determined by the owner of the account. But this is not the following because if you click on it, you can follow the account and also you can subscribe to the account. And if we go down here, we have these four sections. So from the right to the left, we have the share button and we have this is the bookmark. If we click on it, we're going to save the post to our bookmark. If we click here, we're going to like the post. This is for the retweet. And the last one is for the comment. If you click on it, you can add a comment over here or a reply to this post on Twitter. And this is easily how you can use Twitter for beginners. At the end, that was all in today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.